We've always wanted a really beautiful front yard, and when we moved into our new home, we wanted something special out the front to match that, but had no idea where to start.
We don't have too much experience in gardening, so when we heard that you could get a front yard delivered to your door, we just said, let's do it.
We jumped onto the Plants for Spaces website. They'd done all of the hard work for us. We just picked on our estate, and all of the packages already met the design guidelines, so all we had to do was choose one that we liked.
Everything got delivered to our door and away we went.
You got it? Woohoo! It's in! It was so much fun spending time outside. We probably don't do it enough, so it was a great excuse to get outdoors in the front garden, and it was just so easy to do.
The front yard looks amazing, and it was way cheaper than hiring a landscaper.
But the best bit is, we did it. We absolutely love it, and it's exactly what we hoped it would be.